ilabas natin yung kanilang mga ginagawang baho. Ako mismo, nilalabas ko talaga yan sa publiko. This is an illegitimately elected administration. At least, ang presidente, because hindi kasama ang vice presidente dyan. I have always maintained that Vice President Sara Duterte was properly and legitimately elected by the people. But I cannot say that for Bongbong Marcos. Merong 3 meeting ng Smartmatic. Pagkatapos na mag-file ni Bongbong Marcos ng Certificate of Candidacy for President, October yun. By December 10, 2021, tinext ako ng Secretary ni Lisa si Camille na inatasan niya akong pumunta doon sa office ng Total Information Management Corporation. In other words, mga kababayan, Lisa Marcos was actively courting Smartmatic in the run-up to the elections during the campaign bago ang halalan para masiguro niya na manalo ang kanyang asawa by hook or by crook. So kaya nga, the issue now is, susuportahan ba natin ang isang presidente na aktibong ginapang ng kanyang asawa ang kanyang pagkahalal bilang Pangulo?